Let's go to PortUnion G2 test route number 3. You have to put in drive, look around before starting, put the right indicator, make sure you check everywhere before starting it, and let's go. And when you're going out, make sure you watch everywhere, like any car coming or no, any pedestrian coming or no. So watch carefully everything. Everything is good. Everything looking good. Look around. Everything is good. Yeah, no pedestrian coming, no car coming. I will take a right there and mirror signal blind spot. I will take a right here, and there's a 40 speed limit in this area. This street is 40. We'll take a right here, and then we'll take a right from the stop sign. When they say 40, 40 meaning is 35 to 40, not 41. Make sure don't exceed the speed limit. White line, stop at the white line, complete stop. Yeah, no one coming. We'll take a right here. Keep in a rightmost lane. You can't see the lane marking here, but keep in the right side. Just consider that thing as a lane. Keep on the right side. So we'll go straight there. And it's showing that stop sign coming ahead. We are going straight from here. So then the examiner will tell you change it to left, mirror, signal, blind spot, change it to left. We go straight here. This is again always stop sign. Make sure stop completely at the always stop sign. Check both sides. Everything is clear. And then we'll go straight here. We'll take a left from the next traffic light, that's a Kingston. Mirror, signal, blind spot. I'll enter from here. Light is red, and we have to stop behind this car. And when you stop behind any car, just make sure that see the wheels of that car on ground. That's the right place to stop. Make sure look around everywhere when you're standing. And keep your hands on the steering. Look back, look front, look back. Everywhere, look around, look surrounding, look their traffic light, your traffic light. Light is red. Don't just keep on looking at the light only. It's not going to change if you just keep on looking there. So just make sure you check everywhere around that. We should know around our surrounding around us. It looks like light is going to change soon. We'll take left on the Kingston. It is 60 speed limit here. And after taking left here, again exam is going to take a left on the Shepherd. Yeah. This light is green. We can take left here. Good. Go to the leftmost lane here. That's good. And then change it to right. Mirror, signal, blind spot, and change it to right. And then again examiner is going to tell you take left on Shepherd. Mirror, signal, blind spot. And take to left lane here. And then again go left here. Don't change two lanes with the one indicator. Even if for 1 second you turn off the indicator and change again. The light is red. We have to stop here completely. Then again same thing, look around, look everywhere. Light is red, we can't go, but light is green now. We have to go in middle. Two cars are coming fast. Yeah, now we can take safely here. We can take left. Good. Take left here, then we change it to right. Mirror, signal, blind spot, and then change it to right. Good. And again exam is going to tell you take left from the next traffic light. We'll take a left again. There's 60 here. Is Shepherd is 60 speed limit here. Mirror, signal, blind spot. Again change it to left. Take a left here. And light is green. Nobody's coming from our front. Take a left here. Go to the left here. And after that, in these streets, they are going to ask you that 3.10 parallel parking, uphill and downhill parking. For that, watch my video till end. I have shown like how to do these things. And speed limit is 40 in these streets. We're not going to do anything right now, but at the end of the video, I teach properly how to do all those things. So you watch my video about that. And speed limit is 40 here. Don't exceed speed limit. Stop completely, check both sides, nobody's coming, we can go. And next stop sign is again all way. It's not written there, but that is all way. And you have to stop before the crosswalk there. At the edge of the road, you have to stop there like this. Yeah, good. There's the first one here, we'll go first. It's good, go. And then examiner is going to tell you the back parking here, or maybe at the turning. So you take a right here. This is again one way. You take a right here, and examiner is going to tell you to take a right from there. So we'll take a right here. Then the examiner is going to tell you, okay, congratulations, you meet license center today, you pass. Go and get your license from inside. And you pass. And make sure you watch my video about the 3.10 parallel parking, uphill and downhill and back parking. And at the end of the video, I have given 10 tips how to pass your test. Make sure you watch that video also. And best of luck for your test. Hopefully you like my video, and if you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Always bring safe and reliable car. Examiner is going to check your indicators, your brake light and your horn before starting the test. If anything is not working before starting the test, they are going to cancel your test before starting the test. You are going to get fail even before starting the test. So if you think you don't have a reliable car for the test, always contact the driving school, and they have a reliable car for the test. They know what the examiner is expecting in the test. Okay, whenever you go for the test, always park your car like facing forward like this. Don't park facing back on that side, because when you're starting the car, you will be nervous, right? So always better to park like facing forward. So when you go out, you can check like this and then go out for the test. Don't take the car out like this and then start like looking, and like some people get nervous and get failed just because of that thing only. So always park your car facing forward like this. Always follow the speed limit. Whatever the speed limit is written there, always follow that. If the speed limit say 40, 40 meaning is 39. 50 meaning is 49. 60 meaning is 59. Don't exceed speed limit even for one. Like if it's a 40, don't go 42, 45. Don't think that they are going to let you go like that, right? So they are going to exactly look at the speed limit. So speed limit 40 meaning is 39 only. When you're changing lane, always check three things. It's called MSB. Mirror, signal, blind spot. So many people, they just check blind spot like this. Don't check like this. Come, I will show you how to check the blind spot. Come. When you're changing lane, check mirror, signal and blind spot. When you're changing lane to left, look left blind spot like this. When you're changing lane to right, check the right blind spot like this. Don't just check like this, like this. There's a blind spot. When you're changing lane to left, left blind spot, right blind spot. When you hold your steering, hold steering properly like 10 and 2 and 9 and 3. Don't hold like this. Come, I will show you how to hold the steering. Come. So when you're holding the steering, hold like this. It's called 9 and 3 and 10 and 2. Don't hold like this, don't hold like this, don't hold like this, don't hold like this. Hold like this. This is a 10 and 2, 9 and 3. Always look for the pedestrian, always stop for the pedestrian. Whether they are right or wrong, whether they are right of way or not right of way. If they are coming in front of you, make sure you stop. Stop for the pedestrian. Treat pedestrian like a king. Like a king is walking in front of you, just stop there. Okay? So don't scare them. Don't say them like why you're coming, it's not your right of way. Not like that. Stop for the pedestrian all the time.
Always stop at the stop sign. When there's a stop sign, even if you know that no one is there, make sure you stop at the white line first. Look both sides. No one is there, then go. Sometimes people have seen that they just look, no one is there, they go without even stopping there, right? So examiner fail for that. And always, like, not just for the exam, always stop at the stop sign. Make sure you stop at the stop sign completely. Always stop at the red light. If you're driving car and if you're facing the red light, make sure you stop your car first. Then check anyone coming or not, then go to the right side. It's not like that no one is coming, you can just go without stopping. Red light, stop your car first, then see if anyone coming or not. If no one coming, then only go. Don't run in front of the car, you can make it, not like that. Red light, stop car, see if it's clear to do so, then you can go right. Okay, whenever you take a left turn, and after taking left turn, if it's a 2-lane, always go to the leftmost lane, then speed up and then change it to right. Don't go straight to the rightmost lane and don't stay in the leftmost lane. If any one of these two, the examiner fail for that. So don't block the leftmost lane, go to first leftmost lane, then speed up and change it to right lane. When you're turning right on the green light, and when you're turning right there, it's your right of way. But sometimes, like, see the pedestrian, they are walking in front of you, right? When they're walking towards you or going away, just wait for the pedestrian. Always remember, pedestrian is a king. Always stop for the pedestrian. I want to give you one bonus tip. Always remember, it's going to be your test, not instructor's test, not examiner's test, right? And instructor can teach you maximum, and the examiner is going to here to check you. They are not going to give you any tip during the exam. It's going to be your driving test. Okay, don't expect any tip from the examiners. And key to pass the test is practice, practice, practice. More practice you do, better you're going to perform in the test. And best of luck for your test.